Hello my technical friends, this is TestOut Linus Pro and this is lab 8.10.4 and we are going to set directory permission. So an assistant administrator has been modifying permission on the /HR directory. You want to quickly change the permission on the /HR to match the permission settings documented in your company's security policy. So you must modify the directory permission to be drwxr-xr-x. Complete this lab from the terminal. In this lab, your task is to determine the current permission from the /HR directory. Answer the questions, modify the permission on the /HR directory as follows. User is going to be read, write, and execute, while group is going to be only read and execute. Other is going to be only read and execute also. Alright, so we'll go ahead and start up lab. So we'll wait for the lab to load. So if by the end of this tutorial you find this video to be helpful to you, you also want to consider joining my professional membership, where you have detailed video guide on how to solve any of the TestOut lab at all. Also consider liking and subscribing to the channel so you have access to a wide array of educational video materials and get videos on how to solve any TestOut lab also. So we're still waiting for the lab to load. Okay, the lab has loaded successfully, so we'll go ahead and open terminal. Alright, terminal has loaded. From the first task, we are going to type in ls space -la space /HR and you press enter. So that's going to give us a list, total of 12, and that will help us answer some of the questions. What are the current permission for the /HR directory? So this is going to be, let's see, from the list we have on the left pane in our terminal, it's going to be this. All right, so we continue. So we're going to type in chmod space 755 and space /HR and you press enter. And you're going to type in ls space -l and space / and you press enter. It's going to give us a list. Go ahead and score lab. So if you find this video to be helpful to you, you might also want to consider sharing this video on other educational platforms so that other students can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next video.